Working long hours in front of the screen can be very tough. Personally, running my own business, working with clients from all around the world, sometimes I can be in front of the screen for 10 to 12 hours, and it can be mentally exhausting. And also I feel pretty isolated sometimes. So I totally understand you. The mental health issues and or well-being is important aspect to be covered. So that's why it's even more important for people like us who are sitting long hours in front of the screen to prioritize our well-being. And I'm gonna share you 3 things in this video that has helped me and countless of my clients to become the most fit, energized versions of themselves, with less stress and anxiety levels. So let's dive into it. So starting with movement, training, and overall healthy diet. Because let me ask you a question, when have you felt worse after going to training or going for that long walk or having that healthy meal? You always feel good, you always feel better than before. So whenever you feel like maybe exhausted, or stress, overwhelmed of the things what's going on in your life or at your work, I highly suggest go for that workout session, go for that long walk. After those things, have healthier meal, because I can totally 100% say that when you do that in those times, you're gonna feel way better than before. Rather than let's say you had a shitty day, you work long hours, you feel mentally drained, exhausted, then you go home, you want to chill at the couch, watch some TV, or have some cheat meals, junk food, but when you do that and you get in that cycle of when you feel worse, when you don't have energy, you let yourself to feel like that, you let yourself to also still engage in those bad things, and you get in that cycle, and that cycle is gonna just get longer. And after those things, when you sit on the couch or still watch some Netflix shows, eating junk food, you feel worse even, right, than before. So you get in this habit that you're gonna feel like this. It's also okay to feel like that for more, weeks, months, or even years. And then to get out of it is gonna be pretty difficult. So my suggestion, really, when you feel a bit worse, mentally down, exhausted, drained, go for that workout session or go for that long walk. Just move your body, and you're gonna see that your mental state, happiness levels increases. Your body releases endorphins when you move, and you're just gonna feel way better than before, rather than not do anything, or eat some shitty food. And you're gonna feel more shittier than before. So always prioritize movement, healthy nutrition on those days when you don't feel the best version of yourself. And second thing is of course, meditation, mindfulness, journaling, or any other things that you may enjoy, or maybe you haven't even tried those things. So definitely I highly suggest to try it out, all of those things, and then see which one you personally like. For myself, I really enjoy meditation and sometimes journaling, because it gives me in my day a time to think about what actually I want, or also think about why do I feel overwhelmed, or why do I feel so stressed. Or also sometimes I feel stressed because I know I need to do something, but I don't know actually how to do that thing, So when I give myself on a meditation or journaling to think about that task or thing I want to do, and I divide it in some blocks, that's gonna really help me to prioritize. And some meditations I do, 6-phase meditation, Ziva meditation. I can link them below. It only takes 10-15 minutes to do that, so pretty simple to follow. Myself and other clients of mine also do that, because as I said, it can get pretty exhausting, sitting in front of your screen, having millions of tasks to do in your day that can be very overwhelming, and also really good that has helped me to divide tasks. Don't be in front of your computer for 2-3 hours straight. Always myself, I work on one task only for 60 to 90 minutes, After that, I take like 10-15 minute break, something I enjoy. Even you can like scroll on your phone if you want that, have like some healthy snack, and then you jump back in that work block, either continue the same task you did before or start a new task. And again, like you just focus on one single task, because I know a lot of us want to multitask, want to get more things done, but that only makes us more overwhelmed, because probably for you as well, like you work on this task, you get an email, you get something on your phone, like you can't even like focus on that one task. So if you like just prioritize one task, that's also going to be really, really super helpful for you to like be less stressed, know exactly what you need to do, and actually also get more things done. Because if you give yourself, I'm gonna work on this task, and you don't give yourself like a time when you want to finish it, you can also work on that task all day, right? But okay, if you like, let's say I'm gonna work on this task for the next 1 hour or 90 minutes, there's high chances that you're gonna like also complete that task in that time, and if you don't, then you take a break and then you continue the same task till it's done, if that makes sense. So definitely give it a try, give meditation, mindfulness, or journaling try if you haven't tried it out from all those things what you personally enjoy, and that's also gonna be a game changer. But more bigger game changer is like dividing the tasks into work blocks. Like that's really has been helpful for me and some other of my clients. And number 3 is surrounding yourself with the same-minded people. So one of the most satisfying things in the recent months has been like building my own community with my clients, Fit Mindset community, because I know myself, as I said before, like it can get pretty lonely and exhausting journey when you work on your computer, when you work on like tasks. And also all of my clients are almost also like desk-bound professionals, tech guys who are sitting long hours in front of the screen, and everyone is missing that connection, So one of the things I've been building is like having like a community with my clients where we sharing like workouts, where we sharing like wins, like personal wins, also some family, Trent going for like 10K steps in his conference with his baby. So it has been really cool to see where this like community is growing. And for you as well, like you probably can find like a community, with the same-minded people. Just go to your like local maybe place, local gym if you want something in person, or there are also a lot of like online communities, like that gonna support you. You just need to find the same interests. If you enjoy health and fitness, for sure there are plenty of other communities like that. If you enjoy other like hobbies, for sure you can also find something like that as well. And you're gonna see that you also become really fast that best version of yourself, because if you surround people like who are chasing the same goals, like for example my community, we are all tech guys, busy professionals who want to become the most healthiest, fit, energized versions of ourselves. We are like supporting each other, we are keeping each other accountable. Not that I am the coach, like I of course also keep everyone accountable, but it's nice to see when you are part of this community that each other is keeping each other accountable, sharing workouts, motivating each other, and just striving to become that best versions of ourselves. So yeah, these were like 3 most important things in my opinion that really can help you to become that most fit, healthiest version of yourself, with less stress and anxiety levels. And if you want to become part of my community and become that best version of yourself, go check my Instagram, check my client wins, or if you are interested to have like more personalized journey, then book that health discovery, health assessment call, link in bio. I'm gonna make sure we are the right fit to each other. I'm gonna make sure you are the right fit for my community. And yeah, book that call. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video.